Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Triumph Tiger Explorer 1200. This really beautiful 3-cylinder powerhouse of an adventure bike just arrived with only 28,000 miles. It's got all the goodies: running lights, extended windshield, heated grips, cruise control, engine guards, a really awesome sounding aero exhaust, Touratech locking side bags. This bike is in gorgeous condition. It's got the heavy duty hand guards. Come on by, make your powerful adventure bike dreams come true for just $74.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Also has a center stand, ABS brakes, thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.